Welcome to my channel, Not Your Average Vegan. My name is Shan, and I'm a self-taught chef who's here to make your transition to adapting a plant-based diet a lot easier. Join me as I make easy and delicious meals. I'll show you some product reviews, what it's like to be a traveling vegan, and also how to use plant-based substitutes. Sometimes I will feature my 2-year-old daughter who also eats a plant-based diet. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and check out some of my great content. I hope you stay around, and I look forward to interacting with you. Don't forget, plants are fuel. First, I'm going to start by creating a flax egg. I'm just going to go ahead and add some ground flax seeds to a bowl, add some water, give it a good mix, and set it aside while we prep all the other ingredients. Here I have some rinsed black beans, and I'm just going to pour them into a bowl. I'm going to use a fork to mash them together, and you don't have to mash every single black bean. You do want to leave some just to create the texture. And this is what it should look like once you're done. Now I'm going to go ahead and grate some carrot and some zucchini. I did use the smallest grating size just so that the texture of the carrot and the zucchini would not be as noticeable inside the burger. To add in some extra texture and nutrients, I went ahead and chopped up some cashews, and I'm going to add those in as well. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in some cooked quinoa. Don't forget, all the ingredients and the amounts that I used will be linked in the description box below. And to bring some freshness to this dish, I'm going to go ahead and chop up some fresh parsley. To help everything stick together, I went ahead and added in some breadcrumbs, and then I'm going to go ahead and throw in that flax egg and mix everything up really well. I did end up transferring this to a bigger bowl, and I also used my hands to mix it just because it was easier that way. Through mixing, you should have something similar to this. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to add some seasoning. So I use salt, pepper, some chili powder, paprika, and some garlic powder. Now I'm going to go ahead and form the burgers. A tip is to run some cold water on your hands, and this helps them to stick a little less. And I'm using a 4th measuring cup just to get the burgers to be an equal size. So I'm going to go ahead and form them, and then I'm going to store them in the refrigerator, which is going to help them firm up and not fall apart while cooking or eating. And this recipe does make quite a lot of burgers, so you can store these in the refrigerator and you can also freeze them. After letting the burgers sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, I went ahead and added them to a heated pan with some oil. I'm just going to let them cook until each side is brown. because there's so much flavor packed into these burgers, I kept it simple with the condiments. So I'm just going to add some of this avocado mayo that I made, and then I'm going to add some arugula and some red onion, and that's it. These burgers are super easy to make and they're also very tasty. This recipe does make a lot of burgers, so if you're cooking for a large family or you want to meal prep, it is perfect for that. Also, these burgers can be cooked on the grill. I recommend to freeze them before you cook them on the grill so that they don't fall apart, but they do hold their shape well on the grill as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check the description box for all of the ingredients that I use, and make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video.